In today's video, let's talk about the way that you use the Glassdoor salary calculator. If you want to know your salary range in a current location in your position, in today's video, let me show you how you can do it within Glassdoor. Now, previously they had a separate tool called the salary calculator, but however, it now has been removed. But you still do have a section inside of Glassdoor where you can see all of the salary range that a particular position has. So what you need to do is head over to the salary section. And before you find out your exact salary, you need to add in your job title as well as your location. So make sure you add in the correct location because location wise, the salary varies. Once you add in your position as well as your location, you can see it generates a total pay range. And it also gives you a breakdown where it gives you the base salary as well as the additional pay. You can also change or customize this to make it more accurate by adding in your total experience as well as the industry that you want to work in. This way is going to give you a more appropriate answer comparing with if you just use the default version. If you scroll down, you'll get a section which says how do we calculate pay. You can exactly see the calculation that they used in order to generate this range. You also do have a feedback section where you can actually give a feedback on this exact salary range and you can tell them that if this range is accurate or not. So that's pretty much it on the way that you use the salary calculator inside of Glassdoor. If this video did help you out, do let us know by giving it a thumbs up and also make sure you subscribe for more future videos just like this.